Hey guys, today is another video of sprayers, educating you guys on sprayers. So first off, we have the pump-up sprayer. This pump-up sprayer, it works really great. You do have to pump them up. We do sell some accessories by Patriot Sprayers that has a CO2 bottle, and it connects to the sprayer so you don't have to pump it. So it's a really good feature. You don't just keep going and going and going. One of the biggest things is people need to understand these sprayers will last you forever. The biggest key is to clean them out with the solvent. So if you're using an acetone-based product or using Easy Dye, you can use acetone to clean out the sprayer first, and then you want to clean it out with water at the end. What that does is keeps the seals from drying out. Even though the seals are resistant to acetone and those products, you still want to not just leave the acetone sit in there where it's going to dry out the seals. Okay, it's important. The next thing is understanding the sprayer, that it actually has a filter inside. So you simply want to unscrew this every time you're done cleaning it, and you want to take this filter out and clean this out. It's important. Using water-based stains, acetone, whatever the case is. A lot of people don't use these sprayers for water-based stains, and why they're so good for water-based stains, and I'll show you here in a second. Make sure that you also undo this. This is a spring, as you see here. You want to push this out, this little valve. When you push that valve out, it has some O-rings in there, okay? And these O-rings need a little bit of grease, so Vaseline works great. I don't like to use any heavy-duty grease, but Vaseline or silicone works good. So go ahead and grease these back up. Simply insert it back in there and put your spring back in there. Tighten this back on there. If you do this to this sprayer, it'll last you forever. I've had the same sprayer for over 5 years by simply taking the time up, the time that it takes, like 30 minutes to clean it out. It really doesn't take that long, but again, your tools are only as good as you take care of them. What makes this sprayer unique is that we are allowed to change tips, okay? So in this packet, there's different size tips, and it's a conical spray, which makes the product come out a very fine mist. If you over apply some of the stains or chemicals on the floor, you're gonna create puddles. It may not look like it in the beginning when you're spraying it, but as it settles, it's going to create a puddle and can create problems. So depending on the size or the product, you have all these different options of tips, okay? Now, if you really want to step up your game and you don't want to use this, you can use this and pump it up manually, or you can add the CO2 feature on there, or we have what they call the Patriot 500. This thing's been around for a long time. Amazing sprayer. So this is a CO2 driven pump, driven by this CO2 bottle, as you see, and you're going to simply screw it into this regulator. Okay, so this is designed for large jobs. This bottle will also last about a 5,000 square foot job if you're spraying stains or sealers or whatever that you're spraying out there. And then you simply screw this guy in and then turn on your valve, and you'll have your pressure. Once you have that, it's going to be the same hose fitting, nice brass piece, and then your wand's going to connect to it with your different size tips. So then this bucket is open, so it allows you to just keep refilling it. Or if you have other product in buckets, then you can take this hose and stick this hose in here and just put it in there. The other cool feature is we also sell the rebuild kits that come with this, so you can rebuild this pump. You can spray solvent-based sealers, water-based sealers, acetone, you name it. We use it in many different types of applications. So it's a nice unit because it's not heavy. You don't have to carry it. It sits on the ground. It has these nice caster wheels, and you just simply grab it by the hand and roll it around. So if you have a large job and you're interested in something like this, let us know. It's a great machine. But if you have smaller jobs, you can have this. Again, when you're done with this product, you also want to clean it out with, if it's a solvent-based product, clean it out with acetone and then rinse it out with water. Okay? If it's a water-based product, you can rinse it out with just straight water. And that's the same with this sprayer as well. But any solvent-based products, rinse them with solvent first, make sure it's clean, and then water. And that keeps all the seals from drying out. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please give me a call. Have a great day.